In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your HP laptop. So if you want to go and start afresh, maybe you're selling your laptop and you want it like new, I'm going to show you how to do this. So first just go and open up your start menu and then you need to click on settings. In the left hand side, click on system. And then you'll need to scroll down and click on recovery. You'll then see this option called reset this PC and click on the reset button. You'll then have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So because we want to start afresh, we're going to click on remove everything. And then you'll need to select how you want to reinstall Windows. Now we're going to click on cloud download, but if for some reason this doesn't work, you can always use the local reinstall instead. As you can see, this is going to delete all of your personal data from your computer. So once you've done this, it will be like when you first purchased the laptop out of the box. So all you need to do is go and click on next, and you can just go through the steps in order to reset your computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.